What is the process to reset an ADT sensor?
Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today, we'll be focusing on how to reset an ADT sensor. ADT systems can sometimes require a manual reset, so understanding how to perform this simple task is crucial for maintaining the functionality of your home security system.
What is an ADT sensor?
An ADT sensor is a crucial part of your ADT security system. It helps detect whenever a door or window is opened or when there's movement in a particular area. Over time or due to technical glitches, your ADT sensor may need a reset. Resetting an ADT sensor can help fix many common issues such as false alarms or non-responsive sensors.
How to know if your sensor needs resetting?
If your sensor is acting up or not responding properly, it might need a reset. Some signs that you might need to reset your sensor include: your sensor is not responding to door or window openings. The system triggers false alarms. Your sensor doesn't sync with your main ADT system.
Step-by-step guide to reset your ADT sensor.
Before starting the process, make sure your ADT system is not armed. 1. Locate your ADT panel. The ADT panel is usually mounted on a wall in your home. 2. Enter your ADT user code. This is the code you use to arm or disarm your system. 3. Navigate to the sensor settings. Use the panel's navigation buttons to go to the sensor settings. 4. Select the sensor you want to reset. Choose the specific sensor from the list of devices. 5. Choose to reset. There should be an option to reset the sensor. 6. Confirm the reset. Once you've confirmed, the sensor should reset, and any issues should be resolved. Remember that it's crucial to contact ADT support if you continue to have issues after resetting the sensor. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful in understanding how to reset your ADT sensor. With this guide, you can take control of your home security system, ensuring that it's always up and running as it should be. For more tips and tutorials, stay tuned.